Hello, this is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand, 7:15, 7:16, 19th of November, Monday morning, and I wanted to point this out, just updating on this whole weather thing going on. Now, right at the moment, the something interesting is, well, okay, let me go back a little bit. This blue area here is cold. Down here is Antarctica, and it's cold too. And you'll see that this, at the moment, what we've got is this wind flow that's coming down here, hitting all this cold air and then being pushed back up. I think this is all, well, okay, let's step back a bit. Somewhere around about here, which is very interesting, is the location now of the South Pole magnetic South Pole is somewhere around here now. It's moved quite a bit, and this is something that I've just posted photos of last night. And if I look at this, it seems that that air is going around that magnetic pole. Now, I'm only telling you what I'm observing, so, you know, there we go. Magnetic pole is somewhere down here, right? It might be, I don't know, somewhere here. Okay, now we're looking at the temperatures here. They changed considerably yesterday. I made another video, I think it was yesterday morning, and this blue was, none of that was there. That was not blue, it was just green. Now we've got blue, which shows, like here, minus 2.5 Celsius. There, minus 1.8, minus 1.4, 0, okay, minus 3.4. So you see what we've got. This is all sub-zero. The whole of that blue area is sub-zero. Now, if you're living on the coast, you're actually lucky because you're not getting it quite so cold. You know, so Christchurch is anywhere 4 or 5 degrees at the moment. You know, but that's not saying much. You know, it's pretty bloody cold. The North Island hasn't been hit by this. It's being pushed around here, and so it's coming around both sides of the South Island and coming off down here and then going back down. This is all really freaking weird, and I don't know how much of this is being caused by weather modification, in other words man-made, and I don't know how much is possibly because of this, in other words, is so-called natural, if there is such a thing anymore, but caused by this magnetic pole being way out of line, and whether we got, if that's the case, then we've got a lot more of this going on, and things are really going out of whack in a bad way. You know, I don't think it's going to be like, I think, well, I'm hoping that it's just going to be normalized within a few days, but this is quite odd. If we took the possibility that this was man-made, it could be an effort to continue to put moisture over New Zealand, and I'm just saying that's if. So anyway, that is the current state of affairs, if you like, and I'm just keeping this updated so that we can go back and go, oh yeah, you know, that was that video or whatever. If I don't document it, it just gets lost, and we don't get to keep up with it. Thanks very much. This is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand. Check me out.